and Michelle from Travel Bug TV. Never say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Don't be shy. Right, yes. Excuse me. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to do a review on this one. Michelle, just pass us that bag, please, Chuck. Yeah. We're going to do a review of the new Slimming World Chunky Chips. Okay, yeah. So it's Chunky Chip night, Friday night. Get in there. We're going to do them with some 2 rump steaks, some veg, and what else we're going to do them with? I'm not quite sure. Probably just that for this evening. So we'll do a nice review. I'll show you how to do them because you cook them a little bit different way. Yeah, I'll do mushrooms and onions as well. Speed food. We get a bit of that in it. Also, I've got a little bit of a treat. Put them down there. Get me a little bag there, Michelle. Oh, we've got all sorts coming tonight. This isn't for tonight, but this is for show all my girls down at Slimming World Padgate. Alright, Shell, Joan, everyone, Karen, Mel, you know who you are. Alright, Debbie as well, yeah, we know you are, yeah. So I'm going about Guinness every week. I found these now, Guinness crisps. Look at them, can't wait for them. But I'm not going to have these until I've reached my target weight, okay? So once I've reached my target weight, which hopefully will be in about 4 or 5 weeks' time, I'm going to gorge myself stupid on Guinness crisps. Might even have a pint of Guinness with them as well. Alright, so there's them, but they're not for now. Alright, so I'm going to go with, back to them.
Right.
It's Chunky Chip time, okay? We'll get back to you in a second. I'll just flip the camera around and away we go. Oh, he's kissing me.
After 30 years, I've bought something special for Alan to open.
Ooh.
Don't say I don't buy you anything.
I'm not very good at opening things.
Pull it that way, look.
Oh, there we go. Oh, hang on, there's only one.
There's 3.
All that. It's 3.
3.
Put that on there. So at last,
3.
at long last, I've got, oh, look at that, got baby ones. See, it was worth having that rant on that last video, wasn't it, you see?
Yes, there you go.
30 years I've been asking for these. Fantastic. Brilliant. Right, so we can have a little bit.
You got a daddy one, a mummy one, and a baby one.
There we go, all 3. Nice little, I can hang them up as well, little things for hanging them up. It's another job for me now, isn't it?
Wider one, that one.
1, 2, 3. So, ooh. With that said, okay, yeah, mammy, I walk a million miles for one of your smiles, my mammy. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, I've now got me tongs that I've been after for years.
Not 1 but 3.
Not 1 but 3.
Like buses. No, you don't get any for years, donkey's years even, and then you get 3 all at once.
No, it's 2 all at once, but I know what she means.
2, but
I know what she means.
3
Right, anyhow, I can get on with the cooking now. Woo!
Yeah, very good.
Thank you. Okay, so what we've got there, we've got broccoli and cauliflower florets. Just going to boil them up, a bit of salt and pepper. And what we'll add is that we might add a little bit of this lovely, if you can see it there, this lovely, there we go, soy sauce. So that just to liven it up a little bit. I'm going to cook the steaks. Will go on the griddle. These nice steaks here that we've got. We've got 2 rump steaks. We have also there. We've got, if you can see it, we've got the mushrooms and onions. And here's the bad boys that everyone's going mad about at Slimming World at present. There they go. There's your Slimming World Chunky Chips. So the way we do those is, I'll just show you this now. So if we come back around to here, where it's the oven 180 degrees C for 20 minutes. We'll just, I'll put them all on a baking tray and show you how to do that. It's the chips that take the longest. They'll take longer than the steak or the onions, mushrooms and veg. So I'll just lay them all out in a tray now and I'll let you see that. Okay, so there you can see you've got a single layer of the Slimming World chunky oven chips in a baking tray. We're going to spray it now with the famous light fry. So I'll just give that a bit of a... So that's all we need with them, I think. A couple more. And we'll bang them in the oven now for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees C for a fan oven. Okay? Okay, so we'll just pop these in here now. In the middle shelf. Close that up. And let's see what we get with these bad boys. There we go, there's the first one going on. These have just been seasoned with salt and pepper. So that's 4 minutes on this steak, or on both steaks actually, so we'll turn that over. That's the onions and mushrooms done. That's 3 minutes on my steak done. And that's the 4 minutes on Michelle's steak. So what, we've got a medium rare one and a medium one, we'll find out later. Okay, so there's the oven chips done. They've had 22 minutes. The time was between 20 and 25, so I thought I'd go middle for diddle. We're now at 22 minutes in there now. So, yeah, we'll just take them out, we'll drain them off and we'll plate it up and we'll do the taste test. Okay, so there we have it. We've got chunky Slimming World chips. We've got broccoli, cauliflower, and that's just got some garlic, salt and pepper on it. We've got the mushrooms and onions, which I finish off with a little bit of soy sauce. And we have the rump steak, and we've also got the second one there. You can see that, so there's two of them. So we've got a third veg, third protein, and then obviously a third of carbohydrates. It's our Friday night treat. So the next bit's the taste test, and we'll get back to you. Michelle will let you know what the verdict is. Okay, there we go. Hello, right, so I'm back again. We've just had the food, which is chunky, Slimming World chunky oven chips. It was broccoli, it was cauliflower, and then a little bit of seasoning on that, a bit of garlic powder. What else did it? Oh, and the rump steaks were nice, and they were just, one was medium rare, which turned out medium rare. Michelle's was medium. Did yours turn out medium?
Yeah, it did.
Fantastic, so everything went right there. Yeah, they were really, really nice. Matt, right, let you give your food. What did you think of the Slimming World chunky chips? Because that's the review that we want to do really, so everyone can get older. What do you reckon to these chunky chips? Okay. Everyone's going mad for chips, haven't they, at Slimming World, so yeah. What do you reckon?
They're really nice, enjoyed them, but they weren't chunky chips. They were like normal that you'd make. Some of them were a lot thinner, weren't they?
Yeah.
A lot, still lovely, still enjoyed them. As you can see from the plate, there is not a lot left.
That plate, in fact, can you just bring that back? That plate had a pattern on when we started, Hey, honestly, really. I had a picture of the Queen on there. No, there's nothing left. So you'd enjoy it then, yeah? I want just the chips, nothing else. We know my cooking always gets a 10. Well, the oven chips, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give them?
A 7 or 8.
That's good, that.
Because they're not chunky chips.
Yeah, I'd say that they were actually quite. They were thinner than you would get a normal oven chunky chip, but still really really nice. I thought
they were more like your homemade chips that you do, but I think it'd be interesting if we actually make, or you make your version of the chunky chips, and see the difference in it.
Now that's not a bad idea, that. So I might actually extend this and stick that little bit in. So if we end up with when this video goes out, if it ends up with a homemade version and the oven and the Slimming World frozen version, then you'll know that we've done it, won't we? And if we've not, then I've not had time to do it. But we might do that for you. It's not a bad idea, that,
yeah.
Chuck.
But also, the ones that we've got will do well in the camper van. In the monkey, there's a ridge monkey.
The ridge monkey. Yeah, we've got a ridge monkey.
If we put it in the ridge monkey, I think it'll cook well and maybe finish it off in the wok. Because you've got to remember, a lot of things what we'll do on here, and a lot of its healthy options, is we'll be cooking in the VW camper van, and especially when we go out away for weekends at various different venues. So
exactly, yeah, you're absolutely spot on there. I mean, Fanny's parts up at present, she's out there. Fanny, by the way, is the name of the Volkswagen bus. Yeah. She's parked out the front. We've got a little bit of work to do on her. Our first festival come outing and really in 2019 will be end of February, beginning of March. But do you remember Benny Hill?
Yeah.
Do any of you lot remember Benny Hill? You must remember Benny Hill. Boom. Well, they had a cooking programme on there, yeah, with Bob Todd. Right, so Bob Todd and Benny Hill, they were the old Fanny Craddock. Yeah, Fanny Craddock was one of the original chefs on TV, or cooks, because she was a lady, obviously. Right, on one of the Benny Hill shows, he always came out with a phrase, and he could say that about my cooking. So, and one of them, he said, just turned, I said, I hope all yours turn out like Fanny's. So I hope all yours turn out like Fanny's, yeah. And we've got Fanny out the front, so there you go.
Correct.
So, Benny Hill, there you go. Fanny. All right.
It's amazing what you can do in Fanny.
Enough said. We're not going to go there. Right, okay, guys, that's it. Oh, I've not scored it. I'd actually scored them. I'd scored them a 7 or 8 as well. It's not something to go overboard for, but, you know, they're there if you want them. I prefer to have a baked potato, if I'm honest with you, but that's by the by.
I prefer to have them than the baked potato.
There we go. Right, guys, so we'll wrap this one up here. You may get the other bit where I do some homemade chips and we'll compare them that way. Otherwise, rock and roll. The next videos I'm going to be doing will be on the workshop. I'm going to be converting the workshop. So there'll be a series of them coming up over the next few weeks. So rock and roll. We'll see you later, guys. Give us a kiss, shout. Don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment below.
And don't forget, ring that bell. Ring the bell. We can mind you all day, all night. We go, oh my God, it's them greens again. They won't leave us alone with these movies. Yeah. All right, guys. Good night. God bless. Keep safe. Love you all. Bye bye.